and welcome aboard AmaWaterways' beautiful AmaMagdalena. This stunning 68-meter ship is named for Colombia's Magdalena River, and I am honored to offer you a tour. Let's take a look inside. For joining me today on our tour of the incredible AmaMagdalena. I hope you will join me soon in Colombia aboard this ship or her equally stunning sister, AmaMelodía. We cannot wait to share the beauty of our country with you. Nos vemos pronto. Chao, chao.